Namaste, sab log. Swagate. Welcome to Jai Hindi. Jai Hindi is a YouTube channel, and we're dedicated to helping beginner Hindi speakers learn better, faster, and even more excellent in Hindi. So today we're going to return to our template model. If you remember our past videos in the template model, it was pretty simple. We just had a little template that you could use, insert a couple of words, and bang, you have Hindi sentences. So today we're adding another word to our template to make even better Hindi sentences. Pragya, let's go to the next one. Okay, the word we're going to add is aata. So we have our regular template, which was mujhe hay. Now we've added aata to it. Mujhe, aata, hay. Not too hard, just one new word. Okay, let's do the next one. So we're going to add a verb like we did in the previous videos, and we're going to add aata. Aata means to know how to do or to know something. So it's going to be mujhe, and we're going to find a verb, and we're going to say aata hai. And you showed them our secret word. Okay, let's go to the next one. Let's stick a verb in there. Here's the fun part. Okay, the verb is hasna. Hasna is pretty simple. It means to laugh. Did I get that right, Pragya?
Yes, hasna. Hasna, not hasna, not hasna. It's hasna. Well, you were close enough.
Okay, hasna. Okay, so we're going to take this verb and we stick it right in the middle. You see the yellow. So we have mujhe, hasna, aata, hay. Mujhe, hasna, aata, hay. I know how to laugh. How did that one sound?
Close enough again, but not on point. Mujhe hasna आता है. मुझे हंसना आता है.
Okay, these Hindi teachers can be so strict. Okay, let's go to the next one. Let's go to the next one. The next one is khelna. Now, khelna means to play, and we have the same format. Mujhe khelna aata hai. Mujhe khelna aata hai. I know how to play. Did I get that one right?
Yeah. खेलना was good. खेलना. मुझे खेलना आता है. First was good.
Okay. Next verb. Likhna. Now you see what we're doing here, guys. This is really pretty simple. Mujhe likhna aata hai. Mujhe likhna aata hai. I know how to write. I bet that one sounded okay.
Yeah. मुझे लिखना आता है. Good.
We're moving right along. Okay, nachna. Now this is a good one. This is one for everybody who wants to party a little bit. Mujhe nachna aata hai. That means to dance. I know how to dance. Mujhe nachna aata hai. How did I do?
Oh, that was perfect. That was good. मुझे नाचना आता है.
We're moving right along. Sochna. Now I'm a little bit slower at snocha than I am at nachna. Mujhe sochna aata hai. Sochna means to think. So mujhe sochna aata hai. Mujhe sochna aata hai. How is that?
That was close enough. It's not sochna, it's sochna. Sochna. Close. Listen close. सोचना. मुझे सोचना आता है.
Okay, so I think we're at the end of this template video. We're going to do 5 more verbs in the next one. But right now, it's like, subscribe, and share time.
But before that, guys, just letting you know that you have to be a bit more selective with the verbs for this sentence template, because obviously you would not say I know how to sleep. So just choose your verbs carefully, and this sentence template would greatly help you.
Do the like, subscribe, and share thing. We're done?
And comment.
And comment. We're done. Okay. Dhanyavad.